What's up, YouTube? GCF fam. I'm back, y'all. Y'all see what this is today. We got that PSA Jakl, Palmetto State Armory. Can't go wrong. That good old Jakl. And I got it in that beautiful FDE. Chamberlain 556. Y'all see that Jakl engraved on there? Really reminds me of the scar. It is beautiful. I love this FDE color. Honestly, for the price range, I would actually take this over the scar. I prefer this over the scar. It's technically the same thing. It came with 30 round black mag pull. I ended up picking up this FDE 30 round mag pull. Got the window tint on there. Get that off for y'all. Let y'all see what that is beautiful. I don't know if y'all can see the controls. Y'all gotta work with me. I'm doing the best I can with this camera. If y'all got any recommendations of how I can get this, position my camera and do these videos at the same time, y'all drop a comment and let me know. I really appreciate it. But yeah, that's it. It's a gas system. Excuse me. But that thing is beautiful. Of course, you got your lock. Of course, again, the manual. I think that's pretty cool. I have a F5 folding stock on the way that I just ordered. I'm definitely gonna SBR that, so be looking forward to a before and after video once I install my stock. I got a sight, a Hollow Sun. What is it, the 510C and FDE as well with the green optical. So that's on the way. That actually should be here within the next like 48 hours. So be looking for that. And when the stock come, like I said, give y'all some before and afters. What else we got for you? Yeah, I'm gonna take it out to the range within the next couple of days, get y'all some first shots down range. But yeah, man, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Get y'all a better view of this thing. It is a beauty. It's not really heavy. Like I said, with that Jakl logo engraved. And again, this is chambered in 556. 556. I actually got some X-Tac. I picked these up just to have something for it. I'm gonna hit up my local Bass Pro Shop. Get me a little bulk ammo supply. I'll show y'all those in a little while. But yeah, though, got this off PSA website. I highly recommend it. They did a great job with the finish, the Cerakote. No complaints right out of the box. Like, the trigger feels great. Nice and responsive. I heard it was very flat shooting. As you can see, it's suppressor ready for sure. I was gonna throw one of those slings on there, but I'm like, I gotta SBR this thing. I got to, so went ahead, didn't waste any time, ordered my stock. Again, once that gets in, you all be looking for some before and after videos. And subscribe, leave some comments. Let me know if you recommend the Jakl or the FN Scar. Like I said, this is the way to go. You know, you pay $3,000, $4,000, $2,500 for that. You know, you can go on PSA and get this for way lower, half the price, you know. Can't wait to get this thing on the range. Like I said, it's an absolute beauty. Absolute beauty. Chambered in 5.56. Thanks for all the support on the channel. Again,